Hello children, I am Priyanka Goyal. Today I will start the sixth chapter, My Sister Part 2. Before I start the Part 2, let's recall the Part 1. This story is written by the writer Sunil, Gangopadhyay, whose nickname is Neelu. So, in this story, the narrator Neelu, he is telling about his sister, whose name is Chotan. He is telling about that his sister was doing job at Delhi, and after 4 months she is coming back to Kolkata, her home city, and the Neelu, the narrator, he went to receive her to the station. When he reached at the station, when he saw her sister, there was a lady of middle age, whom her sister introduced as Baro Didi, as sister. His sister said to narrator that she wanted to buy a cobra. Hearing this, narrator got surprised why Chotan Didi wanted to buy a cobra. And in this confusion, they came back to home. Mother asked the sister, how was the journey? Then Neelu Didi told that there were dacoits in the train who attacked the train. But because of Baro Didi, nothing harm was happened. Now everybody wanted to know who was the Baro Didi who alone drove away the dacoits. So we will continue chapter from that. My sister said, here Neelu Didi is saying, well, she is not an ordinary person. Now she is talking about Baro Didi, whom she met in the train during the journey. So she is telling about the Baro Didi that she is not an ordinary person. She is an aunt of the king of Assam. She is an aunt of the king Assam. So she belongs to a royal family. And she is very beautiful in spite of her age. She knows so many languages: Bangla, English, Hindi, French, what have you. Has gone about globetrotting on her own and has visited so many foreign countries. I tell you, she is not afraid of anything, nothing at all. Now Chotan Didi is telling about the Baro Didi that she was Baro Didi belongs to a royal family. She was the aunt of King Assam. She was very beautiful. She knows so many languages, and she is very brave by nature, and she always travels alone. Did you know her before then? Mother asked. My sister said, no, I met her on the train only. It was sheer good luck that I was sitting near her. She hardly spoke to me at first, just keep looking at me every now and then. Then she suddenly asked me, do you sleep during the day? I said, why do you ask? She said, I cannot stand people who sleep during the day, especially during a train journey. I laughed and said, I don't sleep during the daytime. This pleased her immensely, and she spoke to me very pleasantly after that. She told me ever so many interesting yarns. She is a great storyteller. I hardly realized how rapidly the hours flew. I got so engrossed in them. Mother asked to the Chotan Didi, have you met Baro Didi before? Then Chotan Didi replied, no. First time she met in the train. Initially, they were not talking, but the conversation started when the Baro Didi asked Chotan Didi, do you sleep during daytime? Then Chotan replied, no, I don't sleep during daytime. And after that, the conversation started, and Baro Didi told so many stories that rapidly the hours flew away.